When validating your training and education products, did you know the validation must be independent? That's right. If you're applying for or have any training and education qualifications, or the assessor skill set on your scope of registration, you need to use an independent team in your assessment validation process. What does that actually mean? Well, aside from validating your product, your validator must have no association with your provider to remove bias and to meet the requirements of the standards. That includes being employed or subcontracted by you to deliver training and assessment, or involved in the operations of your provider in any way. The independent validator also needs to have current knowledge and skills in vocational teaching and learning, and the TAE qualification or assessor skill set at least to the level being validated. Of course, these extra requirements do not remove your obligations under the standards for RTOs. The knowledge shared by an independent validator is a great opportunity for you to confirm your systems are working and working well. And their validation means your training product is now ready to go.